In this video, I'm going to show you how to select multiple elements in Webflow. So in case you haven't seen already, over here where you have your elements inside your navigator, you can't really actually select more of them. So if I click on any single one over here, of course, it's going to select only that one. But then if I hold down my shift key and try to basically get more of them at once, and of course the control key also, they don't do anything. So you can't actually select more of them. And even if you go over here on your page, essentially on the preview, you can see that you can only select one element and you can select more of them. However, there is a way to actually do this. It's just a bit of a hassle and a bit of a workaround. So what you're gonna have to do is you will have to make a div block. So over here inside find anything by pressing Ctrl and E, you want to type in div and you want to get yourself a div block, and then of course you will have to place the multiple elements within that div to move them at a time, all of them at once. Okay, so that's essentially the only way you can do this. Unfortunately, there's no other way right now. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.